Yeah, that's fun.
Yeah, did we hit one?
Well, we still have one engine left.
I hope he knows where he's going.
Sign on.